box here with our new... Before today's video begins, I want to thank you guys for showing me so much support in the last video when the purple TDI's engine locked up. I think I blew the Mark 5 up. If you guys missed out on that video, the link will be down in the description. Today's video, we modded the Mark 6 and we got Rowdy on the quad behind me. Don't miss out. Watch the video all the way through. If you guys enjoyed, please throw the video a like. If you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button because we're on the road to 100K. Let's get to the video. I love the smell of car parts in the morning, especially when they're for the Mark 6. I feel like I'm in Antarctica right now, but I've been waiting for this to come in for the Mark 6 for like literally 2 weeks. Just kidding. Amazon Prime, baby. Link will be down in the description for this part. Got the Mark 6 parked up a little bit on a diagonal so we can get some better lighting on here. I love how the LEDs look on the hood, but that's besides the point. I got my heater. I got the Mark 6 in the garage. And now we got our box here with our new directions. What are those? Oh my lordy. Are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? So right here is a spot where you can get like a TDI badge, GTI badge. Basically, it's the same as that grill. Look at this thing. That is gonna look so good. I'm a big chrome guy, as you guys can see. Wow, the gloss on this thing, absolutely amazing. All right, so removing this thing is an absolute joke. if my grandmother was still alive, RIP the GOAT, she could probably remove this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx 25 bits. I believe they're 25s. You remove these 4 and this piece like twists like this and it comes right out. So taking the Mark 6 front grill off is literally the easiest thing. This is a 5-minute process. If you're home alone, you don't know what you're doing. It's literally as simple as this. You take out those 4 bolts and this thing just slides right out. Sometimes they're a little stuck. I've had this out before. None of my clips are broken, but sometimes that ridge in there is a little tight and you really got to yank on it. But from my experience, back together, slides right out. So just look at how crispy it looks. This is from Amazon. This isn't from anything that you would traditionally buy your parts from, I guess you could say. And I guess we're about to find out the fitment. I've never installed this, but oh, dude, oh, this is legitimate excitement. I've wanted this. My friend Avi got one for his Mark 6, and I was just like, I need to have that. I need to have that. And the fact that it comes badgeless right here is awesome because I can get a TDI badge of any sort that I really want, or I can just take it off. Dude, that thing literally makes the rest of the car look like dookie. It literally just upgraded the car to like a Mark 7 type feel. Oh my God, let's close this. Whew. Dude, I don't even know how to react. This car looks so much better. Now we got the front emblem. Everyone always asks me, Alex, how do you get the front emblem on there? Because like we know, it goes in there like this, stock, correct? Now what you want to do is get the Volkswagen emblem like this. You're not going to install it like this. You're going to put it like this because the teeth are going to be able to line up with these little slots in here. We install it sideways. You see how it's sitting sideways? I've seen people mount them like this and it looks awesome. Honestly, that might be a new thing. Nope, I'm just kidding. That is what I started with. This is what we're going to be doing. So then you literally just put it in there. You don't break any clips, nothing. And you just twist it. Dude, and it's locked in there. Are you kidding me? Like, dude! Perfect. That was a close one. Perfect, perfect, Alrighty guys, well that's me a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really stoked on the honeycomb front grille for this Mark 6. If you guys want to pick one of these up, use my Amazon affiliate link down in the description. Go copy one of those. It's like $53. And I think it looks awesome. I hope you guys picked up some tips and tricks on how to tilt your emblem. If you did, let me know down in the comments. But I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Your vehicle is unique to you. Don't let anyone put you down. And just keep smiling. I know you didn't smash that like button or that subscribe button. I didn't forget about you. Do it! You're good! You're good! I think I blew the Mark 5 up.